In this video, I will show you how to use Manychat on Instagram. So first, go to manychat.com and link your Instagram account you would like to use for automation. I already have connected account. So, in homepage, look at menu bar on left side, select automation. In automation, you can see I already have one automation created. To create new automation, just click on New Automation button. In this pop-up, you can see all types of automation. We will use one of the most popular, where you automatically send DM to people who leave comment on your post or reel. To do so, we will click on Convert your Instagram comments into sales. Now click on Setup Template button. And base automation is set for us. We just need to configure some parameters. Firstly, click on User Comments on your post or reel. In pop-up, we can select specific post where automation will work. Other two options of all posts and next post are only available if you buy Pro version of Manychat. So now I will select video. I would like to have this animation and then press continue. In this step, we can select keywords which will trigger automation. I will use dog as example. You can also use second option, any comment. Then all comments will trigger automation. When you are finished with keywords, just press continue. In this step, you can select what will be your automatic response to the comment or select no to not respond to comment on the post directly. Then press save. Now you see all the options you selected. You can edit them anytime by pressing edit button. Now we will configure DM itself. First, click on Reply in DM, and in pop-up on the left side, you can change text in DM you would like to send. You can add button to DM and link your website or YouTube link or anything you would like to promote. By clicking Set Live on the right top corner, you will start automation. Okay, now let's check if my automation is working. I found post and going to comment dog. I'm re-recording so you can see I did it once already and it has reply. And when I check DM messages, I can see I got new DM from automation flow. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.